Asim bin Umar bin Qatada states that Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu came to our house while a man had a complaint of a sore. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu said, "What ails you?" He said, "I am an extreme pain due to a wound." Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu said, "Oh boy, send for a cupper." He said, "Oh Abdullah, why are you sending for a cupper?" Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu said, "I went to get this wound cupped." He said, "Then flies will sit on me, or my wound, or the clothes will touch my wound, which will pain me." When Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu saw that he was feeling embarrassment at it, he said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "If there is good in any of your medicine, it is there in cupping, or consuming honey, or cauterizing." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I do not like cauterization." The reporter says, "Then a cupper came, cupped him, so his ailment terminated." Sahih Muslim Hadith number 5707.